This is an emergency crypto update. What is going on in the crypto market? It is crashing. Is it over with? Alts are down like 70, 80%. Should you sell your coins, give up, and quit crypto forever? Is there any hope in this market? Why is it going down? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly what's happening in the market and why you should actually be very, very bullish and excited for what is about to take place. So let me explain and show to you everything. So as we can see, if we zoom out on the charts here, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have corrected massively. And this is the biggest correction that we have seen for crypto since the FTX event. And what has sparked this sell-off is Mt. Gox. I'm sure you've heard of it. Mt. Gox, they are selling Bitcoin to give to people because they were hacked many, many years ago. And the exchange was hacked and people were not able to get their funds out. And now they were able to recuperate funds and they're giving it back to people. So they're essentially selling Bitcoin to do this. As well, the German government was selling Bitcoin. So what is going on with the crypto market? And let me share with you something very, very important. So I do think the bottom is in, by the way, for altcoins specifically. And what's quite interesting is that this is the biggest correction we have seen for several years for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will only typically correct about 23% maximum. So literally, if you zoom out, every single dip for Bitcoin has been about 20%, 23%, and this correction has been about 25%. Bitcoin is at key support right now, which is very likely to hold in my opinion. We can see this massive daily candle. You see this hammer here. This is one of the most bullish candles I've ever seen. And what takes place here, and the reason why there's this wick, is because the price had dipped and bounced back very, very quickly on the daily time frame, which indicates a lot of buyers are here. So Bitcoin has regained this support. And as long as Bitcoin can maintain and hold above this level here, which is around 56,500, which I'm very confident is going to happen. We might dip below it a little bit, but I do believe we're going to hold this level and we're going to start bouncing up from here, and that Bitcoin is going to retest these range highs here around $70,000. I'm confident that this is going to be taking place over the next few weeks. What this means for altcoins as well is that altcoins are very likely to have bottomed. I think altcoins have bottomed, and that altcoins are probably going to start trending up here. Now, things are not going to pump super hard and super crazy, I think, right now, but I think in the very near and short term that is going to take place. There's still a little bit of FUD and uncertainty in the markets, which usually marks bottoms. Fear marks bottoms and creates bottoms in the crypto market. We can also see Ethereum bounce very strong at this key macro support. We have the Ethereum ETF. We have a Solana ETF. Solana, another very strong and bullish coin. Let me show you here. It is up 5% on the day. Very, very strong coin, has maintained this support. Every time we come to this level, we see a significant pump. Every single time we come to this level for Bitcoin, we've come down here one time, we see a significant pump. Now, also, let me share with you some alpha. So this is a heat map, and this indicator is called the bid to ask ratio, which basically means the limit buy orders in an order book, and the order books throughout all the exchanges in the world. Whenever this spikes massively, which we are seeing a very historical level here, the last time we saw this is Bitcoin came to this exact level, 56,000, and pumped up and bounced very, very strongly. Every single bottom for Bitcoin, we will see this massive spike in the bid to ask ratio, and Bitcoin will pump massively. So I'm confident that Bitcoin and cryptos are that they have bottomed, that they are going to be trending upwards, that this downtrend has reversed, which was triggered by fear of Mt. Gox in Germany selling their Bitcoin. Like, look at this Dogecoin. Look at this massive wick here for Dogecoin. Dogecoin bounced up 15%. That shows you a lot of strength in Dogecoin. XRP bounced up 11%. So these are the coins that we talk about on this channel. Shiba Inu has bounced up 16% as well. And let me give you guys a pro tip in the crypto market. Whenever you see a massive capitulation candle, like everyone just got liquidated, that's when you want to buy coins. That's when you want to buy altcoins. That's when you want to take leverage long positions. In my opinion, put the stop loss at the low for altcoins, and they will pump massively. That's how I just made $10,000 literally this morning right after the crash. I just pretty much longed everything. Like, look at these trades here. 1,200 there, 1,400 there, 2,000 there, 2,000 there, 2,000 there. These are trades that I just took this morning over on Blowfin. That's where you guys want to be trading. Use my link in the video description to trade on Blowfin. And also make sure you are in my Patreon to get my signals so that you can follow and copy these profitable signals when I'm longing, when I'm buying cryptos, so that you guys can be making money every single week like me. So I'm confident that altcoins have bottomed. This is a very obvious bottom signal for me. I'm super bullish. I'm buying the dip here. I'm longing massive amounts of money. I'm very confident that we are going to bounce here and that altcoins are going to start to see some pumps and some reliefs, because whenever the prices come down very, very, very low, that's what triggers the buyers. That's what triggers the volume. And that's going to trigger this next leg up in the bull run. So these dips, these corrections, this is the biggest correction we've seen for Bitcoin the past several years. These bounces are what bring volume, what bring the bullishness back into the market. You guys better get ready, because it's going to be very, very exciting this year. It sucks that a lot of our altcoins are down massively. I just took a look at my altcoin portfolio. Not looking very good, but I do know in the next few months, they are going to be way, way higher, especially towards next year where things are going to be crazy high. Remember, we are in a bull market. Things are going to be trading way higher over these next few months. Don't get discouraged. Continue to hold on with patience and do not sell your bags at an 80, 70% discount. Continue to be patient and let the market come back up, because it always will. As well, I highly recommend that you guys use Algosniper. This is for Shiba Inu. It gave a sell alert at the very top and a buy alert before the 600% pump. You guys need to try this thing. You guys can try it today for $1 at algosniper.com. The link for everything I'm talking about is going to be in my video description. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.